CreditVersio DIY Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the platform and all important resources are in the description below. In this review, I'll explain exactly how CreditVersio works, who it is designed for, what features it offers, and the key strengths and weaknesses you should understand before using it. CreditVersio is a DIY credit repair platform built for consumers who want to improve their credit reports without paying expensive monthly fees to traditional credit repair companies. Instead of acting as a full-service credit repair agency, CreditVersio provides software tools, automation, and dispute workflows that help users manage the credit dispute process themselves. One of the biggest strengths of CreditVersio is affordability. Compared to traditional credit repair services that charge recurring monthly fees, CreditVersio focuses on low-cost software access and self-managed dispute tools, making it attractive for budget-conscious users who still want guidance through the process. Another major advantage is automation. The platform helps users analyze credit reports, identify potentially inaccurate or unverifiable negative items, and generate dispute letters for the major credit bureaus. This simplifies a process that many consumers find confusing or time-consuming when done completely manually. Another strength is user control. Since CreditVersio is a DIY platform, users stay directly involved in reviewing disputes, tracking progress, and deciding which items to challenge, rather than handing over complete control to a third-party company. The platform also provides educational resources and explanations about credit reporting, which can help users better understand how credit scores work and how negative items impact financial health over time. Another benefit is flexibility. Users can often cancel at any time without being locked into long-term contracts that are common in parts of the credit repair industry. On the downside, one of the biggest weaknesses is that CreditVersio still requires active participation from the user. Unlike full-service credit repair companies that handle most communications on behalf of clients, CreditVersio is more of a guided software platform, meaning users need to stay engaged throughout the dispute process. Another limitation is that no credit repair platform can legally remove accurate negative information from a credit report. Results depend entirely on whether disputed items are inaccurate, outdated, or unverifiable. Some users may expect guaranteed score increases, but credit repair outcomes vary significantly based on the individual's financial situation. Another drawback is that while the software simplifies disputes, users still need patience because credit bureau investigations and updates can take weeks or months. Overall, CreditVersio is best suited for consumers who want a lower-cost, hands-on alternative to traditional credit repair services while still benefiting from guided dispute tools and automation. If your goal is learning and managing the credit repair process yourself without paying premium monthly service fees, CreditVersio can be a practical and cost-effective option for improving your credit profile over time.